The Titan Attachment Skid Steer Grader is the perfect attachment for road grading, spreading, leveling, road and parking lot maintenance, and more. These graders feature the universal skid steer style quick tack, making connecting to the grader fast and easy. The triple cutting edge design is the most efficient in the industry. 2 forward-facing and 1 rear-facing edge allow you to move material forward and skim and cover your tracks in reverse. You can also transport your bucket on top of the grader with built-in stops, so you don't waste time making multiple trips. With the fixed pitch, you can easily cut through tough material like rocks, clay, and dirt. This affordable grader is available in 72-inch and 84-inch widths, providing the perfect area coverage you need to get the job done. To learn more, visit us online at titanattachments.com or by phone at 800-605-8241. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to see future videos and giveaways.